This is Fort Langley, a Hudson's Bay Company trading post. Built in 1827 on the banks of the Fraser River, once the center of a trade network connected by rivers. Today, visitors flow through to learn about the history of this place. With the age of river travel all but forgotten, Parks Canada commissioned Pat Calihou, a Métis Craftsman, to build a new riverboat exhibit on site. Pat is a self-taught carver and comes from a long line of Métis voyageurs. The riverboat will help connect visitors with the past, but perhaps the biggest impact the boat building project will have is on Pat Calihou, for it was Pat's great-great-grandfather, Michel Calihou, who worked as a riverboat pilot for the Hudson's Bay Company in Edmonton for many years, transporting goods from Athabasca to Fort Garry. He sees this project as a way to pay tribute to his ancestors.
Being able to build this boat is keeping their memory alive and giving other Métis people that connection to come and see an actual real fur trading boat.
The boat was built using plans drawn up in the 1980s, which were more of a suggestion than a guide.
Anyone can use power tools today, right? But to start something and cut it all out and do things the old way by hand is just something that we're not doing anymore.
Pat was assisted during the process by good friend and talented craftsman Sean Anton. Sean was the master fabricator on site during the boat building process. The materials were also sourced locally as they would have been, using mainly fir and spruce lumber. They had to overcome many challenges, even crafting their own specialized tools and boat nails from the blacksmith shop.
One of the teachings, it's everything takes time. Doing things the long way, the hard way. We didn't just wake up and have all this amazing technology. We had to learn and grow as a people, right?
Pat hopes this boat will help pass on the connection that he feels to Métis culture to other people.
For me, it's not just a boat, it's an opportunity for me to represent my family, all the Métis people, give them a connection. It's really, really a huge deal for me. I'm honored to be able to do it.